What's up, guys? So today we are going to go pick up Foxy and move it to her new home at Loudoun County Exotics. They're going to take over the project and wrap it up, finish it, reassemble the car, and put it all back together, get it running again, so we can finally get it back and get it on the channel. So we're heading down there now. I'll probably not record when we get there, just out of respect to the shop that currently has it. But then I'll pick back up when we leave and on our way over to Loudoun County Exotics. So stay tuned. Well, we just picked up the car from the shop. Here it is in front of me. We're on our way over to Loudoun County Exotics now to drop it off. And so we'll be there an hour or so. So I'll see you guys. I'll check back in when we get there. Well, I've always wanted to get rolling shots of the Mustang, but I never thought it would be like this. Alright, we made it out here to Loudoun County Exotics, where Greg and his team are gonna take the Foxbody and work on it, get it to completion, put it back together, get it running again. So I'm sure you guys will be excited to see that when the day comes. So gonna get it unloaded and take care of some paperwork and things, and I'll be back in a couple minutes. Alright guys, it just finished here at Loudoun County Exotics, so looks like they're going to be able to get it in within a week or so, and they're going to, give me an update on what the time frame and cost is going to be. So, so far I'm real happy. They've been real professional, and they're a bigger shop, so I think they can get it in and get it done. So hopefully within, I don't know how long, but it'll be pretty soon that the car is finally back on the channel. I know I've been saying that for a while, but I think for real this time, I think third time's a charm. I think we're gonna get the car back. So I hope y'all enjoyed this short little update video on Foxy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and hit that subscribe button. And as always, stay boosted.